Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, I'm gonna share with you the full and complete trade session with this turbo strategy for binary options. How I increase my balance to $6,000 to $10,000 in a few minutes. Sorry for the resolution of my previous video with this turbo strategy when I explained how I trade with this strategy for binary options. The methods that I use or the steps that I use to reach this amount. I recommend you to watch that video before to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. The settings for the Bollinger Bands is by default. The settings for the stochastic oscillator inside the moving average is 14, 3, and 3, and the maximums and minimums 80 and 20. The RSI is period 6, and the periods or the minimum and maximum is going to be 17 and 30. So this is the settings for this turbo strategy. You can trade with 30 seconds candles or 1 minute candle. You're going to trade for 1 minute and trade only with the 10% of your balance. Stop it if you have too all the money, and I hope this video like it. This is the way that I'm going to reach it right now, $10,000 with this turbo strategy for binary options. So let's rock.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay, let's go to find a way to reach it. The $10,000 are gonna take in this trade. Looking good. I want to reach the $10,000 today. Come on. We're gonna trade 2 times. Follow the rules that I told you. Look in inside the stochastic oscillator, crossing, going down the moving average. My RSI looks so beautiful, so it's gonna have maybe a deep move down. So we are gonna have these trades in the money, and finally I'm gonna reach it, the $10,000. 15 minutes. Almost 15 minutes to reach it, this amount. Only a few seconds. Only a few seconds to close this last signal. Let's trade. Yes, $10,000 reach it with this strategy for binary options. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell. Smash in this video if you want to follow me on my social media using the links below in this video, and see you in the next wave.